Now observe, this dice is of which shape? Think over it. Yes, it is of cube shape. It is of cube shape. It is a 3D shape. Yes, today we will learn about 3D shape. The shapes which we did earlier were 2D shapes, plane shapes. Which shapes we did earlier? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. They were 2D shapes. 2D. The only common thing between them are they all are flat. See, if I am having this rectangle shape, see I am having this rectangle shape. This rectangle shape is called 2D shape. See, it is having 2D means it has two dimensions. It has length and it has breadth. It has length and breadth. That's why it is called a 2D shape. And what are 3D shapes? 3D shapes means that have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. See, now you all have seen this cube. This is a solid shape. 3D shapes are also called solid shape. So today I will tell you more about cube and cuboid. See what ma'am is having in her hand. She is having a box, and this box is of cuboid shape. Yes, just now you have seen that a cuboid is made up of a rectangle shape. Now let's quickly count how many vertices it has. Vertices means corners where two lines meet. So how many corners this cuboid has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertices are there? 8 vertices, 8 corners. If we are having one corner, then we will say vertex, and if we have more than one corner, then we will say vertices. Okay, now let's count the edges. Edges means lines. How many lines are there in this box, in this cuboid shape? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So how many edges are there in this cuboid shape box? 12 edges. Now the last one is the faces. Faces means the surface that we can see, that we can touch. See, this is the face. These are the faces of this cuboid box. So how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back one 6. So how many faces are there? 6 faces. So these are the faces, edges and vertices of a cuboid shape. Now let me take another shape. This is cube. This dice is of cube shape. See, blends are written on it. Yes, so let's count its corners first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So this cube has 8 corners. Then let's count the edges. Again the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges this cube has? 12 edges. And how many faces are there which we can touch and see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many faces are there? 6. So you will just imagine, सोच रहे होगे that ma'am this cuboid shape is also having same number of vertices, same number of edges and faces. Then what is the difference between a cube and a cuboid? Here the difference is that cube is made up of with square shape and cuboid is made up of with rectangle shape. Here all the faces are of equal length. Here all the faces are not of equal length. Okay, I hope the things are clear. Yes, I hope the things related to cube and cuboid, its vertices, faces and edges are clear. Yes, now it's fun activity time. Just now you have learned about cube and cuboid. Now your ma'am will tell you how to make a cube and cuboid with the help of toothpick and clay. If you don't have clay, it's okay. You can use dough. Aata bhi use kar sakte ho aap. Okay. So let me tell you how to make a cube and cuboid with toothpicks and clay. Then we will count its faces, edges and vertices once again. Okay. you all have enjoyed the activity of making cube and cuboid. Yes, now it's homework time. So today you all have learned about 3D shapes, and today your homework is that you have to find 3D shapes in your room, at your home. You know 3D shapes are everywhere. If you will look around, you will find that the things that are available at your place are of 3D shape. Like if you will see your AC, that AC is of which shape? Yes, it is of cuboid shape. Like if I will show you that I am having this pencil box, this, it is of which shape? This is of cuboid shape. And if I will show you one more, see, if this battery, if I will show you this battery is of which shape? This is of cuboid shape. And have you observed the sugar cubes? Sugar, chini ke dane, that is also of 3D shape, cube shape. Ice cubes, when mama puts ice cubes in lemonade or ruah afza, that is also of cube shape. Now your homework is that you have to find out one cube and one cuboid shape at your place. Then you have to write the name of that object and its faces, edges and vertices. I am repeating, you have to find one cube and cuboid shaped thing at your home. Then you have to write its name, then its faces, edges and vertices.